कहीं पहुंचने के लिए कहीं से निकलना तो पड़ता है, तो आज शुरुआत करें वैसे। हेलो एंड वेलकम टू दिस एपिसोड ऑफ मार्केट क्या लगता है। मार्केट क्या लगता है, एवरी डे एवरी वीक द मार्केट इज इवॉल्विंग एंड इट ब्रिंग्स आउट और सेट a new challenges for ourselves, right? A new accomplishment, new targets, and all these things lead to a fantastic journey through a lifetime. I always believe that whatever journey a trader takes upon, and it's an individual's journey, so he evolves through that journey, and day by day, month over month, he gets better than what he was yesterday, what he was a week back or a month back or a year back. So if you look back in your journey, there has to be a consistent progress, right? So your comparison is not with anyone else, but it is with yourself only. Okay, so last week we had discussed about market kya lagta hai, and in that particular week we had spoken categorically about if Nifty breaks below 14,862, then the next bearish target would be 14,781 and 14,418. Now a very last minute touch and go kind of a thing. Market is very kind to us, and we could see this 14,418 breaching today, and it breached for a momentarily, and then again it pulled back, and it was a fantastic bullish run for the entire day. In case of Bank Nifty as well, Bank Nifty broke below 34,894 R level. From there, next bearish targets of 34,650 and 34,232, both these targets got completed. चलो, let's quickly go back and check the WhatsApp message. आज का WhatsApp message क्या था? So today's WhatsApp message. So this is my today morning's message, and in this message, again I'm talking about in our market kya lagta hai episode, the targets are completing. Nifty 14,862 is done, then 14,781, this was the first target, it was done. As for Bank Nifty, the first target of 34,650 is done, 34,232 is done. When the bias of the market is bearish and also we get a confirmation as per charts, then the bullish trend or any bounces will be an opportunity to short. Now this was a gyan for the day. आज के दिन का एक ज्ञान था वहाँ पे. Well, yesterday was fantastic. The entire week is very promising. So even today, market never disappointed us. It gave us our bearish target as well, and also showed us a path towards the next bullish move. So the range for coming week as of yesterday's closing is Nifty 15,000 to 14,500. We are trading right now at 14,744. So very quickly we can see in 1 or 2 sessions Nifty will reclaim 15,000 mark. That's what my expectation was when I was writing this message in the morning today. 14,600 will be a major resistance, and if we are below 14,500, then we may see a 14,418, which happened today in the morning, and more. So from there, those levels market reversed. As for Bank Nifty, the range at yesterday's closing is 34,000 and 33,000. Now where the Bank Nifty had closed, 34,161. So it is just marginally above this range, 34,161. 33,900 is a major resistance. So 33,063 can be bearish target. So ये target complete नहीं हुआ है 33,063. उससे पहले ही market ने U-turn ले लिया है. With all this in place, a trader must be agile and ready to take a trade as per setup. Now this was a hint. Don't jump at the first minute though. This was a second hint, because market works from contract to contract, expiry to expiry, and from that expiry to expiry scenario, initially they will paint a picture, they will show a picture. पूरे week तक traders को आदत हो गई है कि मार्केट ओपन होता है, एक बाउंस मिलता है, वहाँ से शॉर्ट करना है, एक बाउंस मिलता है, वहाँ से शॉर्ट करना है. वो आदत जो है वो एक तरह से आपके लिए परेशानी बन जाती है. सो ऑन अ डे ऑफ रिवर्सल लाइक दिस, इट्स अ स्विफ्ट, अग्रेसिव एंड अ वेरी शार्प काइंड ऑफ अ रिवर्सल. सो उस समय पे आर बायस, आर व्यू मस्ट बी क्रिस्टल क्लियर. देयर शुड नॉट बी एनी confusion in our mind about the view. So that's why this view building process is very, very important, and I give more than 40 or 50% importance to this particular thought process, that These are the things which will be helpful. Then the next point that I want to show you, after this was done, mid market, there were certain messages. I had categorically given this target of 34,000, which was the first target. So this was my target. 34,000 can be target for Bank Nifty, and 14,646 will be target for Nifty. ये मैंने मैसेज दिया 141 को. Now this target got completed at 2 o'clock sharp. 2 बजे टारगेट कंप्लीट हो गया है. Then I am suggesting book if you have not booked yet. Positions अगर आपने अब तक बुक नहीं की है, then you can book this. And immediately then we could calculate the next target as well on the basis of 15 minutes. The next target that we have seen is this. Next target is 34,333 and next target for Nifty is 14,722. Now this was given at 231. Live market में I'm just calculating my analysis, and step by step we are just reaching to the next targets. Now this target of Nifty also got completed, right? So we are here, price is right now around this zone 14,722, a little above that. It's at 744, and Bank Nifty is shy of some 150 points, right? 150, 180 points shy of this particular target. So that's still okay, a very convincing kind of a day. Next week will be amazing. Let's speak about charts right now. So this is the weekly candle, which is looking like a hammer right now. So there is a buying. Obviously today's buying is helping us. Can you spot this wick, a small wick here, which is suggesting that during the day it breached our target of 14,418. Quickly go on to hourly time frame. See, this is the opening candle, and opening candle in a jiffy, it reached out to this 14,418 ka level, and from there the moment it turned bullish, everything was screaming that we just have to be there. And वहाँ से जो market का overall bias है, that remained bullish for the entire day, and from there it again retested this important level of 14,781. Now because it has retested this 14,781, Monday we might see a higher low being formed. एक higher low होगा, there will be some profit booking, and then again from there the next target that can be achieved. So what can be the target that we can expect through this? As per this hourly chart, I'm just simply plotting a Fibonacci tool, and my first target will be 14,900, which will be completed very quickly. ये बहुत जल्दी complete होगा, and the second target will be 15,059. So I'm just making a new target here. So Nifty important target of hourly time frame से, hourly time frame, Nifty hourly time frame, bullish target 14,907. So this is the target that I'm looking at, and the second target that I'm looking at will be 15,059. It has to happen very fast, will be quick. So 15,059. So that's almost 60, 15,060. So these are the two targets that we are playing for in the coming week. And because these two targets indicate that Nifty is going to be bullish, then the auxiliary stocks like Bajaj Finance, Reliance Industries, HDFC Bank is yet to give a proper reversal, but then ICICI Bank seems good bullish candidate. So 3-4 stocks I'm sharing with you. Last week someone requested in comments, right? So I'm taking care of that and giving you an idea for a trade. You can take a trade, initiate the trade, and that's how we can take it forward. So these are the 4 stocks that you can look for. These are the 2 targets. So 14,907 will be first target, and 15,059 will be second target for Nifty. Let's quickly go on to Bank Nifty. In case of Bank Nifty as well, the candle is little bigger in size as compared to Nifty, and here also we can see that there is a good amount of buying that has happened. Now this target, today's target, was the price, Bank Nifty price was little shy of our target of 33,287. It made a low of 33,361, about let's say 100 or little less than 100 points shy of this particular target. But then from there quickly market reached out to a new higher levels. Now here these were our targets, 34,650 and all these targets. Now these targets have got completed. So I think we can remove these targets and change them as a bullish target as well. So how do we go about it? Bank Nifty was little sluggish today. Bank Nifty was not in a peak performance, and probably because of a HDFC Bank thing. Now here the target will have to change this bearish target to a bullish target, and I'm going to revise this target. The target is at 650 and here's this target is at 625. So there's 25 point difference, but then we'll change this because we have a bullish bias now. $25 can be our bullish target. For Bank Nifty as per hourly time frame. This is as per hourly time frame. And coordinates may, this is 25. Right, so this is one target, and the second target, I'm not going to disturb this level, important level, because many people asked me this week, how do I calculate these targets? How do I arrive at these levels, and why this level only? So people were pressing me for many different answers, and all I was saying that just go and watch Market Kya Lagta Hai episode since January 2021, and you will see how week over week we have reached to a specific targets, and the journey was from those levels only. So this is the hourly time frame bullish target for Bank Nifty. Coordinates 969 करना है मुझे, 969. So these are two targets. Now see, whenever now the trend has reversed, that does not mean it will run from point A to point B. हाँ, यहाँ से शुरू हुआ है ट्रेंड तो यहाँ से सीधा यहाँ तक पहुँच जाएगा, नहीं. That's not how market works. There'll be ups and downs, there'll be a retracement. Even I'm expecting Monday को भी हमें एक retracement देखने को मिलेगा, and after that retracement we'll get another opportunity to buy, and then it will shoot up. Monday, Tuesday will be an amazing day, and going forward the week will be an interesting scenario. So be agile while you are trading in options or futures, and trade very cautiously, right? So a golden period ahead, just be there, and very quickly we'll see Nifty crossing 15,000 mark. All the best to you guys. Thank you so much.